Hey guys, what's up? Today I will be doing a pack opening. I've only got 9 packs as you can see in the store, but yeah, I'll be doing a lot more videos about this. So as you know, well, you don't really know, but my team, I just need some new cards for it. So these 9 packs are gonna help me. So yeah, let's get into it. So yes guys, as you can see, I've got some pretty good packs and some pretty bad packs. So I guess let's just get started. Okay, so we're gonna start with we'll start with 80 plus 5 players pack. So let's see what it's gonna be. Oh, that's it. It's not that great, but it's not that great. But there's 5 more players, I think, if I'm correct. Christensen, Gomez, Ibrahimovic. Yeah, it wasn't that great. Anyway, let's get into the next pack. I'm just gonna go random, so I'm just gonna boom, 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 boom. Oh, okay. It looked like we landed on the 2 players pack. Okay, let's open this one up. Hopefully it's something good. Oh, no, that's not great. That's not great. Oh, guys, I feel like that was a waste of the pack. Okay, let's open the premium gold pack. Hopefully we get something better than those other ones. Okay, we get a walkout. Do we have it? I will take that, but he won't fit in my team. I mean, I could use. Oh, Jordi Albert says. So it says. What the heck? Hold on. How much is it? Compare prices. Ooh. I'd say 11 more about. Okay, no, sorry, 11k. Okay, so, oh, that's not 11.75, and then we'll go for 3 days. Let's go for 12 hours. Come. Let's go for 3 days, just in case, guys. Okay, we've got him. He's in. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna open the gold pack real quick. No, it's not great. It's not even a walkout. Okay, guys, so I think I'm gonna open. Where was it? I'll open 81 2 rare gold players pack. Contains 2 rare gold players at 81 over or higher. So let's see this. Okay. Oh, he's up. Oh, Ruby Neves done one socking. Hopefully these are tradable. Oh, I got Griezmann. Yo, that's banging. How much is Griezmann? Oh, 3k. No, we don't take Griezmann. I mean, he is still a good card, but still won't put him on the team. I'm gonna open the 80 plus rated players, players. It's only 2 in this pack, I think. Oh, come on, yes. Luis Alberto. It's not that great, but it's okay. Oh, no. So guys, as you can see, we're down to our last the last 3 packs. They're all the same. 2 players pack includes 2 players. One of them were. Let's do it. Okay, please. Oh, please. Come on. Yeah, no. We did not take those. Oh, come on. We need like special in these packs. Okay, come on, please. Yeah. Oh, it's not enough. Guys, we haven't We haven't got anything good this pack opening. I'll say that. We haven't really got anything good. These will go great in SBCs though, I'm gonna be honest. Oh no, I actually, oh, okay, Havertz. That's banging. That's actually banging. 81, 84, 81, 79, 79, 84, 45, 66. I'll tell you what, that's great. That is great. That's lovely. And then, yeah, we're going to talk about the last guy. I think that was our last pack. No. Yes, that was our last pack. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. It wasn't that great. It wasn't that great of a video, but yeah, we did do pretty good, I guess. So I'll just say it's a dub. I have nothing to say anymore. Like, it's good. This was good. It was okay, but anyway, yeah. See you guys. See you next time. Bye.